On this video, we sailed from Taha'a to Bora Bora in the Society Islands of French Polynesia. Most of the video is uncut as we navigate past Pai Pai. As you can see in the video, one of us was excited, one of us was scared. However, we both loved the arrival at Bora Bora. And we're a little bit concerned about the size of the waves that we're going to encounter, aren't we?
Oh yeah, like you are. It's fun for you. It's not for me. Yeah. Holy shit!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Woohoo!
Oh, get me to Bora Bora.
So we've got a reef on either side. Welcome to Sailing Blue Planet. We are Jeff and Claire, two captains, one boat, and one big sailing adventure. What could possibly go wrong? Hope you find our journeys and locations of interest as we travel around the world. We aim to share what we learn along the way, laughing and loving it. We would like to raise some money for the Worldwide Fund for Nature. So if you like the video, please consider a small donation to them by clicking on the link below. Thank you. So here we are at, what's this pass called anyway, Claire?
I've got no idea.
We're on Taha'a and we're going through the northern path to Tahiti, and we're on Pass Pai Pai. Pass Pai Pai.
Yeah.
We've just watched the catamaran go out, haven't we?
Yeah. Right, can you take the wheel now and guide it out?
And we're a little bit concerned about the size of the waves that we're going to encounter, aren't we?
Oh yeah, like you are. It's fun for you. It's not for me. Yeah.
Anyway, we're going to go out relatively slowly, aren't we?
Yeah. I'm not looking forward to it at all. But it's the shortest distance for us to get across to Bora Bora. It was either that or go all the way to the north of the island
South.
and then south. Yeah,
The
and
other
then
north.
the other north, yeah. And then navigate over much more waves, so I don't fancy it. It's not going to be, it's going to be like when we came across from Taha'a to here the other day, so not great. The only consolation is it's going to take us about about an hour and a half, 7 miles, which, yeah.
So he's just got through now and he's turning.
So we say down, is it? No?
He can start turning north now, too.
Not the
Let's take it down, like I said.
Yeah, cable's out there. Okay. Well, he's taken the difficult route to go to Taha'a because that's all headwind, isn't it? It's a bit awful. That's the only consolation, I suppose. We did a bit side on. Seems like it.
What's that?
It's great. We're going to be a bit side on. What kind of once we get further down, then it's going to be probably behind us, isn't it?
Yeah, I can't really see the passing. Where it's supposed to be going.
Well, I think it's there.
Yeah.
Wait till
So
I not crash it. That's
keep the- okay, yeah. There's a cardinal bay in front of us. That's that one there on the map, and then the red one is a bit further down. So
it's getting uncomfortable now.
So we're just starting to turn into the pass now. We've got 55 metres depth. We're just starting to get a few little waves.
Maybe he's heading out a bit before he turns down there. I don't know.
Yeah,
Might not be going.
it's quite a long pass, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know how long that is. That is 0.6 miles.
Yeah, it is. Quite a bit.
So it's going to
Not
take
great.
us 1.6 miles. Should only take us about 10 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to go straight down the middle, so
Yeah.
I'll turn a bit to the centre line. So that's Taha'a behind us.
Yeah.
So you're going to back here probably on next Tuesday, Wednesday, something like that?
Yeah. Let's find it to go out there and turn around and there's all the way
Yeah,
to
we'll
the
back in 5 minutes.
Yeah, I don't know. Not great anyway. You need me to undo that bit so you can see that?
No, I'm maybe not getting right
Oh,
out
okay.
here. There we go.
Yeah. Okay.
Just start now.
Yeah.
Get a bit of a-
Well, he's actually now right in the centre. So I don't really know what's going on there. He went that way and then he's come back that way.
Yeah.
But Okay, anyway, we'll leave it
See when we
behind.
get there, we'll look at the same thing, so just be a reef for that.
Yeah, the weight. Yeah, I know.
So we're doing speed around 5.2.
Yeah, what is it? Yeah.
It's always slow
Okay.
down a bit, we have to get too low.
I don't think there's anybody coming this way. It's going that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, just what's doing the next?
But the days a minute, there's quite a long wait then, so.
Yeah.
Massive problem.
So we're on a low tide right now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
The wind feels stronger because we're
Going through.
now we've moved into the wind, haven't we?
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, it's starting to get a bit bigger.
Yeah. Oh, get me to Bora Bora. Oh.
So we've got a reef on either side of us. I don't know, probably 200 metres wide, so it's quite a wide pass anyway, isn't it?
Yeah, I think the reef curves out a bit on this side. That's probably why they head that way and then turn.
Yeah,
Can you see?
yeah.
Are you looking at
I can see it now, yeah.
It's quite shallow there on the right. Is it? Yeah. 8 meters. What he did was head slightly diagonally that way to the left.
Yeah, and I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
I'm going to follow the centre line once I get to the centre line.
Yeah. Whoa.
Woohoo!
Whoa.
Right, now the boat speed is slowed to about 3 knots.
Oh my god, look at these waves. Shit.
Don't really want to put any more power on at the minute unless we get taken by the current. It just makes it rougher. But it looks flat behind us on this video. Looks hellish in front of us.
It's bloody awful.
Yeah, there's some bigger waves coming now.
Yeah, I know. Holy shit,
Whoa.
guys. Whoa!
Woohoo! Feel like proper sailors.
This is because it's hitting the reef, isn't it? And then just going. Whoa!
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 That was a big one.
No, it's not a good one.
A big one.
A big one. Oh, holy shit! Oh my God, I think you need a few more revs.
Right, this is looking a bit steep, this one. Woohoo! Look out. Hold on.
I'm closing my eyes. Oh. Oh.
Okay, we're nearly out.
Yeah.
Pass.
Oh, dolphins! Oh my God!
Dolphins? Where? Oh,
Here!
yeah.
Oh God!
Wow, I think they're going to ride the front of the boat.
Right, oh, they're playing!
Can you take the camera and go and shoot them on the front? No,
Oh.
I'm joking.
No,
Don't do
they're
that.
in front there, jumping,
Too dangerous.
surfing
Oh
away.
yeah, look, they're surfing and playing. Oh, look at them here.
Ah!
Woohoo! There's loads of them.
Whoa! Yeah,
Quick.
lots of dolphins. Way! Oh! Oh dear. Right.
They're
Yeah.
looking at us thinking, you nutters.
Yeah. It's all right for them, isn't it? They love it.
Yeah,
Right. Just
I
be
bet there's loads of, oh, just here in front of the boat.
right. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, they're playing on the bow now.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. I'm not coming back in
Whoa.
this way. Whoa. Yeah, definitely not back this way. This is horrendous.
There's quite a few of them, isn't there?
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Oh my God, this one looks a big one.
Oh.
Whoa! Yeah, they're crisscrossing in front of the bow. They're loving it.
Yeah. Oh.
Well, we are out of the pass.
Yeah. We just have a look.
Oh! See him jump in the air there.
No, I'm holding on.
Oh,
Oh. Right.
they're having a whale of a time.
I'm sure they are. Oh. Where are they? Yeah. No.
We're
One
gonna,
now.
We're going to go out a little bit further before we turn, I think.
Yeah. I think that's a good idea. Well, that's what that guy did. A bit further out. Oh, oh here. He's here.
Yeah.
I hope it's not like this all out here. Bloody hell.
Seems like it's going to be a very, very calm crossing, does it?
No.
We are in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, if you remember that.
Well, I thought after it was sheeting it down with rain last night, it would have levelled it off a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, shitty bags.
Yeah, there's some waves out here, isn't there?
There is. It certainly is.
Right.
The sooner we get there, the better.
Yeah.
I think we need to go a bit further.
Yeah, I need to get the sail out as well.
Oh, right.
Unfortunately, we don't have any wind instruments that are working, which is a
Yeah.
bit of a
Can you just
pain
keep
in
it
the
going
arse.
a bit, because this
It
is
is
going to be
going.
pushing us
It is
backwards.
going.
Yeah.
See, we're doing two knots over
All
ground.
right. No, we're not. We're doing. Oh, I see. Yeah, but yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. No, it's not fast enough. Going sideways.
Yeah, be all right in a minute. We need a bit of mainsail out just to stabilise it, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to have a little steer and get used to that?
Yeah, be quick. Holy. Okay.
Just keep perpendicular to the waves and
Yeah.
right. So I'll just switch this off, I think. So we're on our way, aren't we? On our way to Bora Bora.
We are now. Got the distance wrong though. It's actually double the distance than I thought it was. Anyway, we're gonna get there pretty much at a good time. Yeah.
And our wind instruments are working again. We had to set the sails up and set off without any idea on what the wind speed was, just by feel, and we didn't know what direction it was. We were speeding that way, and we.
Yeah. It was really awful coming out that pass. Really awful, and it was very, very challenging when we got outside. The waves were really high. And after we'd done about half a mile outside the pass, noticed that we'd been travelling along a shelf, and that's probably why the waves were so high. So it's better out here now, isn't it?
Yeah, more stable and not as rough as it was.
No.
We had a few panics.
We did.
But we've seen dolphins this morning.
And whales.
And whales.
Yeah, so whales.
It's full of life here, isn't it?
It is. Yeah.
So now we've got a decent amount of sail out. We'll try and catch some wind, but the wind is kind of 10 knots and it was forecast 17. Well, we're not complaining about that.
No.
Because sea state reflects that a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah. Like everywhere, the wind gets up more in the afternoon, and so that's why we were keen to leave this morning, because I don't really want to be there when it's blowing a hoolie. Although it will be a bit by the time we arrive, but at least we'll be a lot closer. Well, nearly there, hopefully.
Yeah, we don't know. The wind could die.
Well, I'll put the engine on if it does.
Forecasts are awful, aren't they?
Yeah. Well, we'll just put the engine on. We've got to charge the battery every day and run the engine for 2 or 3 hours, so we can actually switch the engine on and motor sail, can't we? Like we did from Huahine across.
Yeah.
I don't want to take all day getting over here. The waves here are really big. I have noticed that.
They are what?
Big, really big.
Yeah, we're in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, that's why.
Yes. But the wavelength is wider.
Yeah.
But it's like a huge travelling swell. That's the only way I can describe it. Yeah.
We're comfortable, aren't we?
Yeah, it's okay.
For the minute.
Yeah.
The sun's coming out. We're on our way to Bora Bora. And the sun's coming out.
It is.
How good is that?
Yeah. Oh, the weather looks so much sunnier over there. Yeah.
And we're going diving with manta rays in the morning, aren't we?
Yeah. So that's
That'll be
our
another experience.
Yeah, that will be our last dive out the way, hope that I don't have any problems with buoyancy tomorrow. It seems to have been a thing each time. Trying to stop myself from rising.
Anyway, we're going to do a video when we get there, aren't we?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Moving out. So Jeff, we've finally arrived at, in my opinion, the most beautiful place on earth. And
yes,
look at the sea. The sea's calmed down.
The sea's calm. The weather's beautiful.
We're being
really warm. We've seen whales, dolphins, flying fish.
And the view around there is just, oh my Gideon, look at that. How fantastic.
Don't drop that phone out.
No, will you shut up? Just be quiet. How amazing is it? Lovely. Amazing. So we're now entering the pass to Bora Bora, and not so worried about going through the pass now because they predicted 20 knots of wind by 2 o'clock, and actually we've only got 11.7, and the sea state has now calmed down, so feeling better about coming through here now.
So, where are we, Claire?
Oh, we're in a bay. We're actually opposite Bloody Mary's at near Beneteau Beach,
It's
actually.
the famous pub. Over there somewhere. We're moored in this little bay, and we've got a gorgeous view of the mountain hill, whatever it is.
It's incredible. What a view.
It's quite deep
Amazing.
here, so you don't get the really turquoise blue colour, do you? But it's still pretty nice.
Gorgeous. Yeah, there are different anchorages, well, places where we take mooring balls around the island. So this is the first one.
This
Anyway.
is the first one. We're stopping here because there's a pub that we need to go to because it's famous.
We can't drink too much because we have a dive.
We're diving
2
in the
dives
morning, first thing in the
tomorrow
morning, and the diving school is just down the corner.
Yeah.
Perfect
Amazing.
place for both. Ooh. We played it.
Yeah,
Finally.
we did.
Finally,
What a
we
morning.
made it.
Yeah.
And we're having a tonic water in celebration, aren't we?
Yeah. Cheers.
What happened to the beer?
Cheers. Later.